Hello, dear listener. This is the Mundane Matters podcast with Anup George. If you enjoy conversation and don't take offense at opinion, then this is the podcast for you.
And 3, 2, 1, we're back with the founder of Swachh Pune, Swachh Bharat. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Lovely to have you here. You are a wing commander of the Indian Air Force.
Yes, I'm a veteran and served Air Force for 23 years, and it's been almost 9 years now that I've left. And presently in civil skies, I'm flying for SpiceJet, a Boeing 737. I'm captain on that aircraft.
And how do you go about it? Do you still announce that, like?
Yes, of course. I'm very much proud of that rank, which has been entitled. I'm entitled to use that because given by none other than the President of India. So,
Correct.
yes, this will go with me.
And does it not, do all the Army ranks or the Air Force ranks or the Navy ranks transfer? You can hold it, right? Because you earned it.
So that is why they say that rank never retires. It is the person who retires. So there are many people who write wing commander, bracket may retired or something. It is not that. Wing commander, Rohit Sharma, thereafter either retired or veteran.
Oh.
You are free to use that.
What is the difference between retired and veteran?
I don't know. Some time back only they thought it is more honorable to say veteran. than
Of
retired.
course it is veteran, yeah.
Veteran. So
that is always it.
Kochi never retires.
Yeah, exactly. Retire मतलब ऐसा बहुत अच्छा बुढ़ापा आ गया वैसे वाला veteran
So ऐसा वाला
means-
नहीं, correct. Yeah. And then in my case, because of a premature retirement, so I'm still working, I'm still serving, I'm flying. So
Correct. And I'm very sure that the passengers in SpiceJet would be quite relieved that a veteran is.
so many of us, there are many veterans who are flying for Spice. In fact, all the airlines are full of veterans, and I'm very sure that the people who are flying with veterans must be feeling.
थोड़ा
They
सा
must
और
secure.
like-
Otherwise, also everybody, the training is such in the civil aviation that each one of the captain who's given the responsibility of flying the aircraft.
No, but I'm
He
assuming that
knows
your
the job.
flight time
He knows
would be
the
far
job.
more than a civilian captain.
Yeah, experience counts. We come with varied experience. Like in my case, I have probably flown 20 different type of machines.
Oh,
And,
so variety becomes the key.
Variety is there, and I have flown gliders. I have flown powered aircraft with piston engines. I have flown turboprops.
I am going to nod and smile, but I don't have any clue what you're talking about.
So I've flown fighters also, all the big series, MiG-21, MiG-23, MiG-27s. I've flown that.
Which one has been your favorite though? Which one is
I
that?
would say asking a pilot, anything which goes up in air for a pilot is good enough.
It's great.
Okay? But yeah, I've had a good amount of experience in MiG-21. Beautiful machine, very stable platform to fire from and all that stuff. So good. There's a trophy there. I've done well in ground to from A to ground firing. So yeah, good experience in that. And then I've flown swing wing. Swing wing, the only aircraft which existed and now retired from Air Force. Last 2 years back, it is not there. So we have flown the MiG-27 and. But then military aviation, come what may, be it fighters or transports, because I've had the privilege of flying Dorniers and N32s. N32s in the terrain, which is, Siachen, Malaysia, all the entire maintenance of that area is done by N32. So I've had some thousands of hours flying in Siachen, Malaysia, dropping the supplies for our soldiers. Who
Are there places to land on the
there
glacier?
Leh is there. We also did some landings in DBO. There's a basically ALG, Advanced Landing Ground. Neoma. There are a couple of places where people have landed. Even northeast also, there are places which are far flung. People have not seen the buses there, but the aircraft lands.
See,
so
that's
kind of, So military aviation that way is very, very interesting and challenging. And both fighters and transports have had the privilege of flying. So I feel was very lucky.
It's such a beautiful. There is. I always think of this, right? Like, to fly has been an obsession of humanities for such a long time.
Absolutely.
Yet so very few truly fly. I mean, you can fly on a commercial aircraft,
Correct.
but that's you paying for someone to carry you across. It's
Exactly.
not you flying.
Yes. Hey, that is absolutely. See, one profession probably where you don't have to say, oh no, again Monday. Isn't it? I look forward to my job. So if your hobby becomes profession, there's nothing to beat it. It's not only for flying, any other profession also. If it's your hobby, and that starts minting money for you, it's good enough. So I'm lucky. I feel that last 35 years I've been touching the sky with glory every other day.
That's you've got a flair for the dramatic. But you put that line in. So my question is this though. So of course, military aviation is within the country more often than not, like unless. But with civil aviation or with like any kind of like long straight flight and whatnot, how does that work? How does is that a natural progression for most fighter pilots?
See, one is flying per se. Once you learn, like you learn a bicycle, it's not very difficult to then get into the bigger two-wheeler.
Correct.
You know how to balance and all things. So for an aviator, once you start aviating, be it a smaller plane, only thing is this: progression takes place as you grow in service. So that certain hours you'll be given. First you fly only as a co-pilot. Thereafter you become a captain, and thereafter you had good amount of experience on a certain type of aircraft, and thereafter you considered for a superior and bigger aircraft.
Okay.
So it's a natural progression. As you grow, with experience, you are given aircrafts to fly. Like I was in MiG-21, then I went to MiG-27 that way. Then at times the circumstances forced you out. Like in my case, I was flying fighters. I had a problem with my spine in one of the maneuvers. I had PIVD C56, that the disc prolapse. So I had to go through a surgery here in Pune in '99. So after that, they declared me unfit for fighters. They said, okay, now my spine was not fit enough to undertake ejection loads.
What G does that work at?
32G. If you pull the handle and the ejection takes 32G. And
32G.
So that is why they didn't want the spine to go through that risk of breaking.
Yeah, because at that point of time it will shatter.
So that is why they declared me unfit for ejection seats. So I had to first change from fighters to transports. Reason I told you that I have had the experience of flying transports. Thereafter I flew Dorniers and then N32s, and 5 to 6 years in N32s. So it wasn't very difficult for me to. It was there is a difference, in a fighter cockpit you're alone. You're doing aviating, you're talking to people, you're also dropping bombs. You have to objective has to be achieved, no? So everything is on you. So you are doing that. Wherein in a multi-crew aircraft, now the fighters also come with the multi-crew. Correct. And transports per se, there is a responsibility with the other guy also. So it's a shared.
and like
commercial also.
General passenger opinion बताता हूँ कि होता है कि अरे ये लोग तो chill कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे cigarette मार रहे होंगे.
And not that way, because nowadays each of us, crew resource management is a term which is used to, we have to use our resources to the optimum to get the optimum out of the entire thing, to achieve the objective. So each one of us is responsible, like captain is overall responsible.
Correct.
Of safe operation from getting the aircraft from A to B.
Correct. Of
safely. Okay. So the guy who's there, he is basically monitoring the captain. His responsibility is to monitor the captain, that captain is doing everything right.
What?
Anytime the captain, he finds the captain. See,
so the Rolex 60s are gone behind us now.
So now it is the shared responsibility. He could be responsible for checking the captain anytime he does something which is beyond the scope of things or SOPs.
Some MBA in Spice just came up with this idea.
He can check. See, now earlier it used to be pilot and co-pilot. Now it is pilot flying or pilot monitoring. So the guy is a monitor, not. So he's actually, so it's a shared responsibility.
But now, I was looking at making that twist into like, we take you viewers, the sex-filled world of the pilot. So
the difference between the military aviation, the civil aviation is largely now out there. We are mission oriented. This is what we have to achieve.
Go get this done, come back
and all. But out here, the safety of 200 people sitting at the back is very, very important. So each and every step, the SOP is followed in letter and spirit. Any word spoken, because everything is recorded. Tomorrow something happens and also the lawyers are going to get to you why this was not done the way it was supposed to be done. So that is what. So it is a very, very foolproof system. So anybody and everybody who's cleared to fly as a co-pilot also is fit enough to bring the aircraft safely back. That is why he is given the responsibility to sit there. So it's a training.
So it's good that you're talking about the safety of this, because I'm personally very scared of flying as well. Okay, because उतना control देके आदत ही नहीं है किसी भी चीज़ में सब.
Yeah, that happens. That happens. It's a natural tendency. Where if you're in the car, if you know driving, you always feel कि everybody कहाँ.
Exactly, right?
So that's natural tendency.
It's hyper nervousness at that point of time.
That is there.
Now we'll actually move to the Swachh Pune Swachh Bharat
Yes.
NGO that you've started, because along with doing all of this and having a military background and a civil aviation, you've also taken some time out every Sunday, I'm told, for the past, like since it was started, to clean the city. And
Yeah, this also comes from the experience in the uniform, because what happens is once you are commissioned into a service, you are not only commissioned to fly. Idea is you're a pilot, fine. You have a job to do to guard the country, you know. But then also there are administrative things which you need to handle to have the entire machinery going, you know, to achieve the final objective.
correct.
So your well-being of your subordinates. So all these additional responsibilities are also given to the officers. Like IAS, IPS, they manage everything. We also manage our entire.
Exactly.
So
That
so
entire-
so being an officer, you're also given, flying is our primary duty there. But secondary duties are also there where we
Of course,
try
to
and
maintain order and to maintain.
Yeah. So now what happens is in the civil aviation, once you switch, now I have nothing else to do but to fly.
Correct.
So I do have that additional thing which I've learned
हाँ,
there.
but वो आदत इतनी पड़ी हुई है
कि वहाँ
कि
पे तो सब इतना कुछ करते थे तो यहाँ क्यों नहीं? Why can't I give back to the society where I have time? So what happens is we fly, I leave home, there's a cab there, drops me at airport, I fly, go to the other station, there's a cab there from the hotel, picks me up and takes me to the hotel.
Correct.
Next is 14 to 16 hours. Before 16 hours, do not be given any other responsibility, but to relax. Those 16 hours, at this agent stage, if I need probably 7 to 8 hours maximum. So what is the rest of the time? So I thought of giving back to the society.
Yeah, that's actually second by second breakdown दिया है आपने.
So it actually, the thought came to my mind. I used to think as to what exactly to be done, and thankfully the Air Force also gave me an opportunity to command National Cadet Corps. I actually commanded one of the units in Pune only. I was NCC CU. I'm a cadet. I was a cadet way back in '85, but 2007 I took over number 3 Maharashtra Air Squadron NCC here as commanding officer.
Oh, lovely.
So, because my story is that I was motivated by a clerk of the unit who used to compare me with somebody who had joined Air Force way back. He see, sir, bache, you walk like him, you talk like him, he's a bomber pilot now, you can also become one.
Correct.
So I got motivated by the
People who used to
clerk
come
who was there, who used to observe me
Correct.
in the uniform. So now when I was given a responsibility to become commanding officer unit, I knew that there are hundreds of lives which I could touch.
Lovely.
And at touch, I indeed was successful in doing that. Presently, probably close to about 60 of my youngsters are serving the nation in 3 different arms. And all because I could narrate my story to them as to how I went about becoming an officer in the Forge, and coming from a very humble background where nobody in my family also had ever thought of कि ये बच्चा कभी
Is there
officer
like
बनेगा.
extra respect, or like is there extra difficulty when like you don't have an army background or an air force background?
Not extra difficult. Like I said, selection process is such
Is
that
quite
as
plain.
raw as you are. They just need to know what exactly you made of.
Correct.
that assessment those guys need to. So that is why there are a lot of people, journals, those who come from the village background, now they've made it to the highest rank in the, you know. So there's nothing like that. It is, see, the selection process such, it's a flat, level playing field for everybody.
Correct.
Be it you come from the Sainik school or NDA or wherever.
And that's
out there they assess the way you are right now.
And so that's
and
the
what kind
discipline.
of education, you could be a very hot rod and all, but when it comes down to your assessment here, you could fail in
So there's a
certain
line in
things.
the NDA, no, that says कि हम आते अलग-अलग जगह से, चाहते एक ही
Yeah,
जगह, एक ही
exactly.
जान, एक ही सोच, एक ही
Absolutely, absolutely. So that is it. So now when I became CEO, so I knew that I had a great responsibility. I could touch many lives and change for good. And all the 3 years, my unit was number 1 in the country. And I was able to send people solo. We used to get trophies from the Prime Minister. My boys used to get trophies from the Prime Minister. Continuously 3 years we took trophies from them. And since I had worked very closely with this young force,
Correct.
I knew that when Mr. Modi announced Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and when I thought of that I now need to work on this, and I knew that moment I take this initiative, there would be many who would follow my
Lead on this one. Correct.
and exactly that happened. You know, this was announced on 2nd of October 2014.
Correct.
9th October 2014, if you visit my Facebook page, at 4 o'clock in the morning
Oh,
I left out a message.
oh, that speech
that
made an impact on you.
Yeah, I said I'm planning to do something about it.
Great.
Anybody and everybody who's interested in tagging along, you're most welcome.
Beautiful.
So the remarks column of that post says, "Okay, sir, brilliant idea and initiative, sir. Then where do we meet?" I said, "No meeting. Okay, I'm a karma yogi. Action is how what explains me.
Correct.
So we will start with action only. If at all you're interested, next Sunday, which happens to be on 12th of October
Correct.
2014, I am reaching Pune railway station at 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning at Pune railway station, you come and meet me there.
Brilliant.
I, my daughter, my son, three of my cadets, ex-cadets, दोनों देखा cadets, यो साहब ने ऐसा पंगा लिया है तो चलो हम भी चलते हैं. So 7 of us we went.
Brilliant.
And the entire forecourt of Pune railway station was you see
Littered. Absolutely.
littered with the cups and mugs and all that stuff. So we wore gloves, took trash bags, cleaned up the entire forecourt, and people were very amused to see properly dressed kids and all. They came and cleaned up everything. We cleaned up, we took photographs, then realized that we didn't take the previous photograph. Then we
Before after नहीं
before after तो हुआ नहीं.
Online engagement कैसे
Online
होगा?
engagement कैसे होगा? नहीं था अच्छा. At that time I had not thought of getting online. Facebook मैंने अपने पोस्ट से डाल दिया था.
Correct.
Because I consider myself technologically challenged. When it comes down to social media handling and all that stuff, I was not very clueful as such. Those kids are very smart. He said, "Sir, आजकल तो पेज बन सकता है. Why don't you create a page?"
Correct.
ठीक है. So 19th of October we created a page called Swachh Pune Swachh Bharat. First तो kids करके sir will keep that dirt riders ऐसे कुछ करके.
हाँ, ऐसा spot
So that, yeah.
आ ही
So
जाता
that
है.
kids will come and all. But then I said कि नहीं यार, let's stick to the basics only. स्वच्छ भारत को करना है तो कम से कम अपना पहला इलाका स्वच्छ किया जाए.
Correct.
So you need to clean up Pune first.
Brilliant.
And then I named it Swachh Pune Swachh Bharat. We maintained Swachh Pune Swachh Bharat only. And now the journey started. We started posting those pictures before and after. The response was so good that each post of ours, in those days I think Mark Zuckerberg hadn't commercialized Facebook that much.
Yes.
You know, now today I charge money to spread word. So in those days, that each post of mine used to reach about 50,000 people. So I had very good response. Yeah, yeah. So
huge.
So I started getting calls from people. Sir, we would like to come and participate. Though the first group of those 7 guys, only 2 were consistent members, my own daughter and son, and one more.
मतलब उनके पास option भी क्या है?
तो उनके पास option नहीं था. So they used to tag along. But then it slowly built up. Consistency and the persistence, basically with the idea, which became stronger with each passing week. because I came across some wonderful individuals, those who became my inspiration. My own team became my inspiration.
Name a few people.
Yeah, I'll tell you. There's, there's one Satya Natarajan. He is in fact a probably known face in the social circles here. He's part of probably 50-60 NGOs. He works everywhere. His duty used to be only in the night time. He used to work for PTC. So nighttime manager, whatever. So 15 years he worked only in the night. The daytime he was always available. So whatever time he found, he was either with some NGO or the other. So this is one guy who came later, after about a year into it. One day I bumped into him. So he was such an inspiration for us. One day, the core team was only 15-16 of us. And there were times when not everybody is available on every Sunday. So there were times when only 2 guys have turned up or 3 guys have turned up. Few slogans though I picked up from my own military jargon. 2 is a team.
Oh yeah.
Okay, the day 2 guys, oh yeah, you're a team now.
Team.
Okay. So even if you are 2, and if you were to make an impact in any public place, you can go easily and do it. What you need to do is 1 scraper, 1 spraying bottle, go to any bus stop. Those beautiful bus stops we have, which is always littered with different kind of bills. Thousands of bills are stuck. So you just remove them, get that structure in its original shape back. While others are watching you, let them learn a lesson.
This is such beautiful leading by example. That's the simplest.
So people have done that. 2 guys have also gone. So now to beat this, Mr. Satya does one day, he goes to Mastani Talab. Mastani Talab, Mastani Talab in the summers, it dries up. And all our,
plastic waste and all
people those who go for picnic and all, in good days when the water is there, they go with all the pulpit bottles and all. So this guy once observed there were thousands of bottles lying there in that lake. Alone, from morning 7 till 1 o'clock. He worked, gathered that entire stuff. First day he spent doing alone.
Correct.
6-7 sacks full of bottles he picked up from that place and got. So we used to call him one man army. So 2 is a team, 1 army. So if each individual in the team gets inspiration from a person like that, so you can imagine where we are heading. So I was very, very, lucky to have come across people like this.
And see, this is him taking care of other people's civil responsibility.
Exactly.
And I feel that even with education, we're not teaching our generations civil responsibility.
That's
just like be careful of your surroundings. Don't spit, don't litter. Use a dustbin. Keep waste with you. That's okay.
Yeah, correct. So there have been many altercations I've got into while following a vehicle. You see something coming out of the window. I've chased and stopped and shoved the thing back. It's happened many times.
Brilliant.
Done it.
So that's the Anushka move.
It is required. Otherwise people, how will they learn? And on top of it, then see, it's only one small step which I'm talking about. That it is a natural progression. How we progressed from where we started and now where we are.
Correct.
It actually became a movement. By 2017, we were able to handle 80 such events in all across the city. I actually thought of, what used to happen was all this money for buying gloves and masks used to come from my own pocket initially. So a lot of friends actually asked me, Puneet, wonderful work you're doing. You please let me know if I can do, be of any hand. I said, okay, yaar, abhi to hum 10-15 log hain, so it's only about a matter of $100-200 a week. I can afford, itna koi chakkar nahi. Jis din it becomes a huge thing, we will come back to you. So that I said. Now, the cleaning thing, when we were cleaning, only 5 to 6 Sundays we spent at Pune railway station. So right opposite Pune railway station, there's a market. So once you go through that market, there's an underpass, there's a tiled thing. That entire tiled thing was full of palm stains. And again, lot of posters. So that was our second major event where we wanted to bring that wall into its original shape. So we went about washing the wall. We went about cleaning the entire poster.
This is like a scene out of Lage Raho Munna Bhai.
Exactly. So we did that. So now what happened was, when we cleaned those walls, It's just a wall, adjacent wall, which is a cement wall, not a tile wall. So we cleaned up. Then idea came that why not we do a geru paint kar dete, so the palm stains will not look. Even if somebody spits, it will not be visible. So let do a geru. Moment we did a geru background, then idea came कि still people will still spit.
Correct.
And if we create something beautiful on this, and what can go with geru? The Varli art.
Oh, beautiful.
That is how ideas.
That is such a.
So we started doing Varli art on the thing, for which I got initial sponsors were Seed Infotech is my daughter's friend. Her father owns that institution, so it's okay. We will come and support if you're doing this.
Beautiful.
So that Geru color was not very expensive. White chuna was not expensive, so we used to be given that. And moment we started on this step, now not many other corporates, they said, "Okay, you're doing a incredible job, so you might as well give our employees also an opportunity to tag along with you."
Oh, beautiful.
So Cognizant came in. Cognizant have their own environment for our team. Go Green initiative they do, because corporates they have their
Of course,
own,
they have their HR responsibilities and CSR
outreach, exactly. So those guys they came and tagged along with me. Okay, sir, I am not an NGO. I am just I am alone.
I was just about to ask you. Till this point, you're just an individual
Even now.
who's decided कि आज मैं ये दीवार साफ करें.
Okay, bus.
And then everyone is like adding
Yeah,
on.
that's about it. So we did that. Moment we did that, and Cognizant was ever ready. Okay, sir, we'll come. Then I started getting calls from other NGOs. Okay, sir, give us also an opportunity. Then idea came to my mind while going through this small basti here, Dombrawadi. You go through that. There's a small school, Jila Parishad or Corporation School. So I realized that you see with your.
Correct.
You match that, kids are of the same age group.
See.
You send them to private school, they find such warm and loving environment there. Why can't we provide the same to the kids from the slums?
Beautiful.
They are also going there, and so that thought came to my mind that might as well change the entire setup of these schools also. Paint the panels wherein we convey multiple things in their washroom area, draw something which gives them message that you should wash your hands regularly, don't spit here, don't litter there, so that they can go and teach their parents also.
Beautiful.
So that. Then in their prayer area, I picked up the local heroes, Savitribai Phule, Tilak, their quotes, so that they draw inspiration from them. These are the son and daughters of the soil. They can also become one. Then in their playground area, Tendulkar and all those things.
So as to
Abdul
inspire.
Kalam, and their quotes and also all
The
that.
aesthetic value of this place is so underutilized, usually.
So now that concept kicked in. Johnson & Johnson came and said, "Okay, sir, we will do this for you." They provided us the paints, and my team, which is today also working, all these guys were there.
These guys also get the chance to.
We created a template where, as and when we get a sponsor, we'll pick up the school and change its
Look completely.
And that way we did that about to dozens of schools.
Amazing.
And a lot of people came and we did that. So that was the second. Then we decided that environment per se is also getting affected. You go to any of the takeries, people go for picnics, they leave all their trash there. So we started addressing from Hanuman Tekri onwards. The first event we conducted at Hanuman Tekri, cleaned up the entire plastic trash people leave behind. We got in touch with Rudra Environmental Solutions to provide all the whatever we picked up, we gave them. They converted that plastic into polyfuel.
Polyfuel, right?
Yeah.
I don't understand how they are not more famous, because they're literally creating fuel from waste.
Now the awareness is coming up. Now there are NGOs or there are a number of groups, those who are involved in door-to-door collection of plastic in various societies. They have their fixed days that you collect your entire plastic and we will pick it up for that.
Correct.
So that has been done. So we did it in general areas, public areas.
And this was how many years ago?
7 years.
Oh my God.
2015, 6 years.
6 years ago.
6 years ago. So we started with that. We picked
Correct.
up all the takeries, Taljai, Hanuman Tekri, then Chatushrangi, then Vital Tekri. all these takeaways we went about cleaning the entire trash from there and we used to send. So this was another aspect of our.
And you've
So
done this
cleanliness
every single Sunday?
every single Sunday without taking a break for till the time COVID hit us.
Correct. Of course. At that point
It
of
was,
time,
we were forced to stay inside, so we couldn't. But believe you me, and again, you know, there is a guy called Naresh. He one day said, "Ke sir, come what may, we will not let the chain break." Again, a statement made by one individual, ke nahi ban. People lived it up. Like in my case, I was flying for Spice. I've been flying for Spice, and my company for 4 years didn't know that I'm into this.
Oh.
They didn't know. They were not aware that unofficially people had an idea that I'm into some kind of social media,
Correct,
but
but the
nobody
company
knew
itself
officially.
didn't know.
Nobody officially knew that I was into it.
Or the scale of it.
Because or the scale of it. I never mentioned to anyone, and because I never took off to do this, because I could believe on my excellent team. They said, sir, irrespective whether you are there or not, this will happen. You just create an event and we'll make it happen.
Oh, amazing.
So that credit goes to the amazing team. So I was, but my commitment level is that in those 7 years, my wife and self, we have not had a cup of tea together in the morning on Sunday, which is an off day for her. She's a teacher.
Oh.
She gets only 1 day off. Ideally speaking, I should have been there in the morning to have a cup of tea together. We have not done that. So credit goes to her also. She let me follow my passion.
Amazing.
So my commitment was on a Sunday, in case I am on ground in Pune, then I will my team.
Amazing.
There's not a single day.
That discipline, no, I can't even and honestly, this time I'll tell you as a civilian, I personally don't even have an idea of that level of discipline where every Sunday, irrespective of come what may, I am there.
I have not missed
Right. And in fact, I have a few more questions about like how COVID has changed like things in your life, but we'll quickly take a short break and then we'll come back with this question.
If you like the show, then show your love by doing the usual YouTube things and following us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We are the Mundane Matters podcast on Monday.
So, a question that I wanted to ask is, because you guys have been working with cleaning, and as you said right before the break also, that Corona has put a change on that particular system, which is okay because like there was no one out littering, so there's no particular cleaning.
Rivers became clean.
Yes.
Ganges is the example.
Classic example.
Classic example. And within our city also, Mulla Mutha has so much of trash. There was no trash scene in those days. That is one positive change. Thirdly, by and large, each individual, in the entire humanity has been hit.
Correct.
Positively also, many of them positively, and many
of them negatively
as well. So it has impacted adversely to many.
Correct. But you see, what I realized, and because बहुत ज़्यादा time था तब सोचने के लिए, was like if only we put this much of an effort. Right? What for like 2 months we were indoors, and look at the change in the environment. The skies are blue.
You could hear hundreds of birds sounds.
Yeah, in fact, Mihir, our camera person, also was observing today that the number of hornbills has gone up. Right? And that is such a uniquely simple thing to do. Don't litter, man. Let's work on thoda sa pollution, clean our rivers a little bit more. But actually, what my concern is, ki even after that, now that the work has commenced and the work is back up, is Corona not a concern? Like, and how that?
Yeah, it is. It has impacted. If I can recall from what I used to have, the number of people, those who were there earlier with me, not everyone is comfortable even now to come back. So, as of now, the team is consisting of people, those who are really dedicated and motivators, and like,
Correct.
we'll take precautions. There are people, we work with masks on,
But these are expensive.
Huh?
But these are expensive.
Yeah, but then only those who can afford, they can come and join, and that is what I've been successful. First week of Jan 21, I started with the activity again, full-fledged, without a break. Now again, without a break.
Not breaking.
Even during Corona times, we did work. We worked on in the monsoons. Generally, what happens is this aspect we never touched. What happens when the monsoons come? cleanliness goes for a 6 in that sense that you can't really do much.
Correct.
And that is the period we use for tree plantation. The entire team switches the role from cleanliness warriors to green warriors.
To green warriors.
Then we go to all the bakeries and
plant trees.
enhance the green cover there. So that is what it is done during the.
I
so
can't
even-
believe that like the group of such wildly motivated individuals exists in the
amazing.
city.
It's really I really वही तो बात है ना कि अगर आप करना चाहते हो कुछ करना चाहते हो तो एक बार थोड़ा सा अपनी तरफ से you need to make an attempt and you will find many coming and joining you.
Amazing.
That way, example is right in front of you means there is, you can see, you just visit my page Swachh Pune Swachh Bharat from 12th October 2014 onwards. You will not find a break. And small write-up by me every week, what change we brought, what happened, who joined us. You know, because there was dearth of funds. I earn handsome money, fine, but not much to cater for so many years. Continuously I can't spend.
Correct.
And there were times when I couldn't. There were agenda was to beautify a school. Now each school takes about 10 to 15,000 rupees of paint. Even if I have to know, see,
So-
labor I don't need to pay anyone because volunteers are there.
Correct.
But 10 15,000 rupees is money.
Correct.
So where do we get it from? And then there were times when we picked up teams. See, if you are a genuine volunteer, if you want to volunteer, not necessarily that you need to create something on your own. You can also volunteer with somebody who's doing it.
For sure.
So now, initial years, what used to happen was then now people were keen on doing painting. So we came to know Seven Love Chalk. Some group has come up, they want to paint. They have already started their work.
Amazing.
So let's go and
So you
augment them.
joined those.
We just went there, helped them out. Now our rapport became with that group. Then another group, Lazy Humans in Nalstop area, they wanted to do. उन्होंने create किया event. We came to know कि अरे हमें कुछ करने का मौका मिला. So we just went there and contributed there.
Amazing.
So now
So Ramadan.
वहाँ हो
at that
गया.
point of time.
Then PMC में there was one place they wanted to do it. We went and helped them out. Now what happened was कि within few months we knew so many groups. Now was the time, 2017, when I thought कि 70th Independence Day, let's create 70 such events. Now since we know we have established rapport with so many groups, people would come forward to support this initiative.
Correct.
So I thought of that. So we reached out to her. You won't believe, we overhauled our number. I was supposed to do 70, we do 82 events that day.
Amazing.
And then I went, अच्छा बड़े मजे वाले चीजें तो भूल गए हमने निकाली नहीं है इसमें. To get youngsters here, I reached out to one young band, 3 boys from different colleges, one guitarist, one vocalist, and another one a pianist. 3 of them. And this is I'm talking about in the earlier months. I was just new to the thing. So just to gather youngsters, so I said, okay, let's do trekking to Sengar. And Sengar, that ridge line, also is full of trash. All that taparis are there, you know, people
and they
have,
keep throwing random stuff.
so we'll clean the ridge line. After the cleanup of ridge line, we'll have this band entertaining us at the hilltop.
Oh,
so we,
concert seats.
so what we did was, that became great hit. At least 3 to 4 newspapers wrote about it. Singer cleanup. So
And
about 50-60 youngsters turned up and 3 boys. And since I come from Air NCC, one drone with Swachh Pune Swachh Bharat ka flag was flying on top where people were working and cleaning up the entire thing. So total drama. Actually, you know, we did everything. वो भी था, music भी था, ये भी था. So that kicked it.
Amazing.
We did that Sengar cleanup in 2015 only, within few months. So that brought in a lot of youngsters.
Correct.
Yes. Then this beautification thing actually has drawn a lot of people. Not very many are keen on getting their hands into trash, but when they come for
When it
this,
comes to
then
painting
I indoctrinate them for this also.
ये
भी करना पड़ेगा.
बढ़िया.
So that is how it is. 2015, I had done entire Varli art on the pillars of Borpatra.
Correct.
So now some posters had come up on that. So we started doing posters. तो उन्होंने उसका एक वीडियो दिया. फिर मैंने क्योंकि आई एम अ पायलट, तो मैंने बीच में एक और कॉन्सेप्ट किया था, अवेयरनेस थ्रू hostesses.
हाँ.
So my teammates, girls, we used to climb up the bus in Swargate, check the name of conductor and bus driver. Then they used to climb up and say कि स्टेट ट्रांसपोर्ट की बस में आपका स्वागत है, आपके ड्राइवर ये हैं और आपके कंडक्टर ये हैं, आपकी ये जर्नी है बारामती तक, वो 2 घंटे 30 मिनट में पूरी होने वाली है. इस 2 घंटे 30 मिनट में आप भारत को स्वच्छ रखने में हमारी सहायता कर सकते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि आप बस के अंदर और खिड़की से बाहर कुछ भी नहीं फेंकें, और पूरे स्वच्छ भारत आपकी मंगल यात्रा की कामना करता है करके, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता.
And this is your hostess.
This was I just brainchild after seeing my hostesses doing it. When I see the same, now India is progressing. Each and every individual is flying these days. Same individual is flying in the bus and flying in the plane. When he comes to the plane, he behaves.
Correct.
And he doesn't behave in the bus. Why?
ये क्लास इशू वैसे सर, इसको एक्सपीरियंस करना बहुत जरा.
तो that is why ऐसे कि might as well, you know, अब उन बंदों के लिए जो 30-40 लोग बैठे हैं बस के, उनके सामने 2 लड़कियों ने आके ये रिक्वेस्ट कर दिया और भारत माता की चाय भी करवा दी, सब कुछ करवा दिया, तो ऑब्वियसली दे आर लिटिल नाउ एटलीस्ट उस दिन की जर्नी में तो वो सोचने से पहले, और हो सकता है कि दे कैरी इट फॉरवर्ड. ओके, सो दैट वाज द कांसेप्ट आई इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. सो दिस वाज आल्सो वन, तो वो भी उन्होंने फिल्म किया. फिर मेरी एक करते करते, क्योंकि इतने सारा टैलेंट आ रहा था, देयर आर पीपल दोस हु आर इनटू डांस ड्रामा एंड ऑल, तो हमने फ्लैश मॉब्स करने शुरू कर दिए. फ्लैश मॉब किया विद डांस, तो उसमें तो ये उन्होंने 20 मिनट का वीडियो बनाया सारा पूरे पुणे में. दे पिक्ड अप आधार पुणे वाला क्वींस इनिशिएटिव, माइन, 2 more organizations, so they gave air time of about 4 minutes to only me. So that
because it's a people's moment at this point.
So
of
for
time.
4 minutes was aired, and after that they wanted to felicitate all the, you know, felicitation was done in Oberoi, Delhi, and Minister of State Environment, he gave those trophies and all. वहाँ पे जाके they asked me to speak few words, तो उसमें मैंने 2.5 मिनट के करीब जो बोला, that video circulated in the A4 circles के Wing Commander is doing this and all. Now जैसे कि from Air Warrior to Green Warrior करके ना उन्होंने ऐसे अनाउंस कर दिया. तो वो जब उन्होंने ऐसे किया तो that clip landed up in one of the HR in Spice. He was an air marshal.
Oh, so till that point,
nobody knew. When they knew कि ये क्या है?
Oh, I thought that even the air hostess thing was like at least with them.
Nobody. तो जैसे उन्होंने ये देखा कि अरे ये तो हमारा बंदा है, तो फिर उन्होंने they carried a story on me in the magazine which is circulated in the air.
मैंने तो आपको सुना ही होगी कि क्या ये इतना कुछ कर रहे हो, आपको बोल दिया होता, आपने थोड़ी मदद कर ली होती.
तो उन्होंने फिर मैगजीन में छाप दिया. मैगजीन में छापा तो one day Richa Anirudh, she was traveling from Patna to Pune, तो she asked her production manager के पुणे में, she was doing that Big Heroes रेडियो एफएम पे, Big Heroes कर रही थी वो. तो कहती कि मैंने पूछा कि भैया पुणे में कोई है, she was coming to attend some function, some other function, इसलिए अब मैं आ ही रही हूँ, तो अगर कोई है तो बता दो. तो उनका तक नहीं, कोई नहीं है. तो मैगजीन पढ़ रही थी, उसने देखा अरे ये तो पुणे में. तो फिर कहती कि चलो. देन आई वाज ऑपरेटिंग अ फ्लाइट फ्रॉम पुणे बैंगलोर, लैंडिंग इन मुंबई दैट डे. सो मुंबई में मैं लैंड किया, तो दैट डे देयर वाज नथिंग एल्स, तो आई वाज कमिंग बैक टू पुणे बाय कैब. तो कहना आ रहा हूँ तो एक कॉल आती है, सर FM,
Big FM, 95 Big FM.
Big FM, those guys have been searching you. So where are you right now? मैंने कहा I'm Mumbai. I've just landed and I'm heading to Pune.
Correct.
तो कहते हैं सर ठीक है, I'm sharing my number with you, and this girl would like to talk to you. तो मैंने Richa Anirudh का नंबर में शेयर कर दिया. Richa Anirudh was staying in West End at that day.
Correct.
तो she said where are you sir? मैं कहा I'm there. कहती आप ऐसे करो, तो आप पहुँचोगे तो आप आज सीधा होटल ही आ जाओ. ठीक है. तो मैं चला गया. तो विज्ञापन तो उन्होंने बिग हीरोज में वो दैट वाज एयर्ड इन सम 47 cities all across India, तो शी इंटरव्यू तो करते मतलब क्या ना वैसे तो नो आइडिया कि क्या है क्या नहीं
बट
हो रहा
सपोर्ट आता गया
हाँ मतलब हाँ सो फ्रॉम देन Forbes picked up our story so धीरे करके वो होता रहा तो फिर then one day I got a call from Logical Indian sir you are doing an amazing job then next थोड़े दिनों के बाद Better India आजकल तो बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म तो I didn't know Logical Indian के बारे में मुझे नहीं पता था मैं तो कर दिया तो one day my own crew and that is very popular in southern states Logical Indian in earlier days
truly so
when it was new it was Bangalore Mumbai तो I went there तो I said कि sir I heard you on this thing okay अच्छा मैं भूल भी गया था because they take time in doing and all so she interviewed me and then left it to that then they pick up pictures from the social media and all that stuff and they made a big nice presentation and all they left it.
No, but see, this is where I feel that we often become so callous with our attitude towards anything that is like a movement, right? It doesn't take much. अब देखो मतलब जो भी ये देखो यार
I believe in thoughts. They are very powerful. You become what you think.
Correct.
Though it is written in the books also, but I have practically seen it happen. Because it may take a little longer, but if positive thoughts and action has started, if you've taken a small little step in that direction to achieve that, you will reach there. That is what I have seen. Means it may take a little time, but universe conspires. You will meet right kind of people, right kind of team will come and support you, right kind of individuals will come forward to you कि भैया ऐसे करते हैं. Who made you come here?
कर्म करो बाकी सब आ जाए.
ऐसे. So you will meet right kind of people right time only if your intentions are clear, clean and क्योंकि अभी अचीव करने के लिए कुछ रहा नहीं है. 35 साल हो गए उड़ रहा हूँ, अच्छा कमा रहा हूँ, खा रहा हूँ. I have not that I have any political intent, motive के भैया को आगे जाके पता नहीं वो करना है. No, it is not that. And by the way, Swachh Pune is also not the main motive. Main motive is to cultivate leaders.
Okay.
The job which I would love to do, which I have done it.
Done exactly.
Which I have done it in the courses. When I was in NCC, I created for officers. Same kind of initiative I wanted to generate within the youngsters, those who come and become part of my humble initiative, and I have been successful in that. There is young girl 16 years of age, she goes and attends to Mandai में जाके vendors को पहले तो catch करती है anybody with the polythene bag. Okay, you're not supposed to use this. Okay, then teach them how to make paper bags. 16 years. तो मेरे को पद्मश्री नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मुझे अगर वो सामने पर रिजल्ट मेरे इनिशिएटिव के चलते अगर मैं ऐसे कुछ लोग तैयार कर सका, that is an achievement in itself.
बदल रहा है उसी चक्कर.
That is what it is. The Naresh guy who was saying we will not let the break happen. That guy can be termed as father of Q Hill in Hinjewadi. Hinjewadi Q Hill 3 years back and now, if you take the older picture and now, you will see the entire green cap is his baby. Part of my team, part of my original team now. Distances are large. Every Sunday I expect him to come and paint bridge here.
Correct.
I am doubling him. So I told my youngsters here, you not necessary to be part of me only. I can't be omnipresent. People do look forward to कि हाँ सर पे चढ़ा के रखते हैं ना, रैंक है, वेट भी है, तो everything they look forward to कि सर आप
a funny way of being humble. I saw that what you did right there.
नहीं they look forward to कि ना अगर आप हो ना सर तो थोड़ी सी एनर्जी लेवल डिफरेंट रहता है वहाँ पे ना कि आप आओ तो मैंने कहा यार ऐसा है कि इससे फायदा कुछ नहीं होगा, फिर हम उतने ही रह जाएंगे, 10-15 लोग ही रह जाएंगे, हम ही करते रह जाएंगे. सारा पुणे अब 40 किलोमीटर लंबा चौड़ा है, ठीक है ना. कल वहाँ से करके आएंगे साफ, यहाँ दूसरी जगह कर रहे होंगे, तीसरी जगह फिर गंद पड़ जाएगा. तो इट इज बेटर दैट यू माइट एज वेल क्रिएट many teams so that they can take on this initiative.
And it's also about becoming more aware of behavior also, right?
Correct.
Because the moment like you're just cleaning and going and not having a conversation, That doesn't change something. But having a conversation changes a mindset.
Correct.
That's where the bus wala idea also is such a
That's one idea.
brilliant.
उसके बाद दूसरा idea था कि when we cleaned up pillars, we painted pillars, we made sure that the people, anybody and everybody who was coming and sticking the bill, we started with missed call campaign on the same number, so that the guy is bloody given up. कि भैया ये किसको उसको
Also,
दे
that is technically illegal.
Illegal,
You cannot
obviously.
advertise out in the
Exactly,
public space.
exactly. So we reached out to the SkySign department of PMC, who are responsible to maintain the entire public space especially.
नहीं, वो क्या ही
तो वो करते क्या
करते
करते हैं, that is different issue altogether. But our way of doing was कि inform the local ward guy, bring that guy to book, भैया इसको जुर्माना लगाओ, 500 रुपया लगाओ, कुछ पता लगेगा कि हाँ नहीं करना ये. So that kind of stuff also we did. So अब सब कुछ करते क्या are we recording now?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
We're on.
That's all, I didn't know this.
We're on, absolutely.
Okay. So the next level which I wanted to take it to was because I feel 1.3 billion people, to have only one leader who's visionary enough, who's given us a sight to see maybe this is what achievable. But achievable when? Only when everybody comes together to achieve that.
Correct.
The kind of era we have lived in the last 7 decades, चलता है attitude, भाई कुछ नहीं हो सकता, हमारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. This is general mindset was there in the general public, no, कि हमारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. That is going slowly and steadily. I am not the only one. There are hundreds of people like me who have taken different kind of initiatives in all the cities.
No, so I believe this truly. कि बोलना बहुत आसान है. ये करो, ये बोलना बहुत आसान है. ऐसा करो, बहुत आसान है. ऐसा होना चाहिए, ये बोलना आसान है. Actually, bucket और पानी लेके बाहर निकलना ना, ये.
That is where I think we've been different. In especially Pune, I think you can call it easily that we were the pioneers of hitting the roads and getting the things done,
And the effects
and which really motivated many others. There are a number of groups now, be it Lazy Humans or there are a number of them. PMC had one group which was on the same lines they were working, and there are many of them. There is now the youngster who's Pune blogger, that blogging guy who's jogging and picking up trash.
Oh yeah. I've seen the news
That bacha is also part of being our team also here. So lot of people are getting motivated and inspired.
And I like your approach because it's not just cleaning, it's also beautification. So when you love, like when you see the beauty of the place that you're living in, you take pride in it. And when you take pride in it, you're going to automatically make sure that you protect it in the future.
Yeah. So now that one idea which came to my mind in 2018 August or 19, yeah. So people, youngsters these days say swag and all. So I said, okay, why not we have a swag of India itself. So then I thought of what exactly could be the swag.
Okay.
So the Swachh Warriors as it is existed. So the Swachh Warriors and Guards of India.
Okay.
So that thing came to my mind. I launched this and we did enroll few college students into that. There's few groups. We
So
formed
this is very college centric.
It's a college centric. Basically institution size. Ideally speaking, I would love to have the swag in every organization.
Correct.
Not only school, college.
And
But
what
even in
do they
workplace,
do?
any
What does
workplace.
swag do?
Swag means that you are Swachh Warrior and Guard. Guard means that there are active and passive people, no? So actively involved, those who will correct somebody's wrongdoing, are the warriors.
Correct.
Guards is somebody's checking somebody.
Correct.
So now, if you find within your compound wall somebody spitting, you catch him. Okay, yeah, this is not done.
Correct.
Correct. So change his.
So you give them training
Your
on
training,
how to
you get
rightly
that.
approach it and
Approach
stuff
it,
like that.
yeah,
Beautiful.
Yeah. So that is it. And warriors, those who actually correct things. You know, somebody's littered it. So you are standing at the bus stop. You see there are 20 guys, or somebody's munching something. He's taken a thing and thrown. One way is you tell him, "Okay, sir." Second way is you do yourself, correct it, and in front of him only make him feel. Alright, so
psychological
psychological
warfare.
warfare. So that is how. So I feel that each citizen of our country need to become a warrior of such nature if we were to achieve the standards which we are looking forward to. pure and Swachh Bharat तभी होगा when every individual contributes to it. So to keeping that in mind, this Swag of India was launched. In fact, I have spent about some 20,000 rupees to create a website, which is in the nascent stage right now, wherein we are, whatever activities we are conducting, we are putting in there. And that would actually amount to having prying eyes of Swachh, catching individuals, those who are doing wrong on Swachh Park, basically, spitting, littering, spoiling the public places. And
have you had any support from like the local government bodies or something?
Yes. Lot of them. In fact, Aadhar Poonawala Clean City Initiative. Lately, they have. You can say we can actually we are working
quite hand in hand.
Hand in hand means the last 2 months. All the events which we are doing. In fact, past 3-4 years we've been together and at many places, off and on. PMC per se also has been very useful that their resources are available. It's not nice. See, now I have only hands to work. I don't have any infrastructure. I don't have wheelchairs or hand garis or things like that.
Not
all that has to
large
be,
scale.
I don't have wherewithal to handle material or the raw material to clean up things and all. I don't have. So what I had done was, I had a very good rapport with the previous commissioners also. We had a number of meetings, and Mr. Modak is there in the waste handling department. So he actually made sure that each ward was made aware of us, that we also exist.
Correct.
We are the people available to augment them wherever they want to work. We will come. We used to pick up a spot. Now, if you go to Nagar Highway. You take a right from Vierwada. On the right hand side of the road, you find load of trash. Used to be there earlier, and now I have not seen in the last 2 years. But we took upon ourselves, yes, we'll go and correct that. So we approached the closest ward and told them, we are coming here. We informed Aadhar Poonawala, their vehicles are available. PMC sent its vehicles and they are wherewithal. Only thing which they see, even though we are now, I think 50 lakh plus in Pune. The resources available to handle is actually speaking are not sufficient enough. Any place you see that bigger container which is lying, it overflows.
Correct. 100%.
It is not fit enough to handle that much of volume.
Correct.
Alright. So now just depending on your government and saying we are paying taxes, they should do it and all, is something which is wrong on our part.
I wouldn't say wrong, it's expected of the government, but I see your proactive approach.
Knowing the limitations of the government, there's no harm
and then taking charge
and helping them out achieve something for your own city. We do it in our homes, no? We clean up our homes and we expect somebody to come and mop our street
and
also.
What surprises me the most is that you're doing all of this with a full-time job. Like you are working.
So that is where the credit goes to the team. I said, I told you, alone I wouldn't have been able to move even, where it mattered was I generally take credit only for taking initiative, and that is what actually I want people to take initiative. You start once, and you'll find people do come forward. By and large, innate goodness is there in every human being. Every Indian per se, because our Sanskriti is such. We are made that way. Only thing which people lack is the initiative, and they look forward to the platforms. Ke kaun sa hai, kahan pe main kar sakta hu. There are people searching for it. You'll be surprised that I am not an NGO. Today, if you Google, I want to work and where should I work and all, Swachh Pune, Swachh Bharat name will come somewhere there in top. In top 2-3 NGOs, those who are working, there are few registered. People have been after me to register that. I find it, then it will become difficult for me to handle everything.
Yeah, because then there
now I am purely motivating people to come forward with helping hands.
All
you just get there.
Person with a bucket and a glove.
That's what the idea is. You need not. You just make yourself present in any of the locations where you are working.
Right.
That's about it required. And this thing is, we cannot take on the job of PMC or PCMC or any government body. What we can do is, by doing this, there are hundreds and thousands of people, those who are passing by and observing us, if 10% of them also carry that message home कि यार हमारे ही भाई बंधु कर रहे हैं ये काम,
Correct.
not the paid people, maybe somewhere
Makes a difference.
a change will happen and people will change for good.
What I'm also concerned about now, you rightly said that like the community is growing and it will keep growing in the foreseeable future the way it is going. Why not interfere on the policy level as well? Because as you said, these boxes like that they transport garbage in is inadequate. Everyone knows this, but this is decided on the policy level.
Correct.
Right? And that can
So
be
that-
literally with one signature, this can be made bigger.
Correct. But then that is government's job. No, I'm not government. I'm an individual who wants to do something for my.
So you have no plans of like say
I-
probably
yeah,
taking
yeah,
it to
so-
the government, say,
to-
because you are
yeah.
at this point of time you are a change maker. On a
I
citywide
would
scale.
rather motivate people and instill that quality in each of my volunteers that they become leaders of change.
That's a lot of patience, sir.
That
And
is
I
what-
can see that
slowly,
you've done
slowly.
it for so many years.
Yes, so 7 years it has happened.
Mhm.
And it will continue further, like the concept which I have introduced, Swag of India. If it actually percolates down to the each school, college, or organization,
Mhm.
it is not things can be probably achieved like this,
Correct.
but it may take time. So I am on my way.
I am just completely stoned by the idea of that like level of dedication in a person. Very honestly, it is incredible. I'll just say this like from my end.
I mean,
truly
a lot of
incredible.
people actually laughed at me. You know, when I started initially, I do get to hear from those individuals, known people in the environment circle and all. They said कि फौजी जोश है, एक दो हफ्ते में ठंडा हो जाएगा.
ऐसा
ऐसा.
अरे
People had caste
where are
expressions.
they now? Abhi.
They compliment me. They
Uh-huh.
compliment me. They come back to me. They tell
I mean,
me,
like, you've
"Hey,
not
yeah,
left
this
them
is
much of an
amazing.
option."
It's really amazing. We never thought that this will be done this way,
Mhm.
and it is so possible. It is possible. I think there are few of my team members, those who are most of the members are actually professionals from different fields, and many of them have transferable jobs also. There are people those who have gone from this place to another place. People have started there. Swachh Dwai, Swachh Bharat.
Wow.
So that is how it is. A lot of people give me calls, "Ki, sir, I wish you were here." Then I tell them, "Ki, are you speaking for Singapore?" Your place also requires the same kind of thing. So it only needs somebody to step out and take initiative. And I take credit for taking initiative, but making it a movement the way it has become, entire credit goes to my team. An amazing team.
So, what is the way ahead? What do you see the future of such?
Like I said, के swag of India, if it comes through, if every individual, every institution starts forming group of people, those who are only inclined. See, everybody has passion. Somebody is very good, in photography, would like to have photography club. Somebody wants to do bird watching, the bird watching club, cycling club, this club, that club. Why not such club?
Beautiful. So that's
Once
where the
such-
swag
that
of
is what
India
I-
as a concept.
that is what I want swag club. I want swag club in every place, so that people, when you have certain people within the community observing you, they are the ones who are catching. They are gonna catch you.
Or they take up the responsibility of being the people
Then
to constantly.
each and every individual will become a Swachh warrior.
Correct.
And that is the ultimate motive, is to make every citizen of India a Swachh warrior.
Oh,
That is.
that's such.
And one day, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी.
वाह क्या पॉइंट पे किया है सर ने वाह जीत गए so just hoping that like we get through this message to as many people as possible.
Yes.
Are there any social media handles that we can possibly look up, people can reach out to?
Swachh Bharat is one page which has been maybe my age stage I can afford to maintain only that. Otherwise
Facebook.
we do have Insta page also, Swachh Bharat, Swachh Pune, and there's a Twitter handle also. I'm not very current, I'm not very regular with Twitter, but yeah, I would rather request youngsters to take responsibility of handling these handles and
and releasing a little bit of that look. So as you heard, Swachh Pune,
Swachh Bharat.
Swachh Bharat is the page on Facebook and Swachh Pune, just Swachh Pune on Instagram, right?
Correct.
So please.
Yeah,
Follow.
you're most welcome to join us
Yeah.
and keep tracking on the page. See what happens on Facebook. The notification doesn't land up on every individual who's liked my page.
Correct.
I have about 6,500 followers on my page. But when I post a update, actually only 50 to 60 guys get to see that.
Correct.
Okay, so now what happens is if an individual is inclined to work for the society and wants to contribute those 2 hours on a Sunday, he needs to probably make an effort to visit the page to see where the next event is.
Exactly.
That's it. That kind of involvement is required to see where exactly it is. Otherwise, now I'm trying to use WhatsApp groups also. I generally change my status, so that at least, pardon me. So as many people, those who are in my contact list, they will get to know, okay, this event is on.
Perfect.
And if at all you feel, and volunteering is something which cannot be forced upon anyone. It has to come from within.
That's true.
Till date, I have never asked any of my volunteer why you were not there yesterday, or why you are not here. वो वहाँ पे फौजी वाला काम नहीं है.
नहीं. This is
It is voluntary.
voluntary.
It is voluntary.
Yes.
So I have never asked, and that is what it is. That is the reason probably we've been successful. I came across some amazing individuals who became an inspiration for me to continue, even when I felt little tired कि भैया कुछ तो हो नहीं रहा है. I'm not. At many times the response is not that good. It is from lukewarm to cold. There are phases when your team members also many a times they also give up. कि सर कुछ तो change नहीं हो रहा, क्या किया जाए ऐसा.
You're
So,
sticking by
we are
is what
sticking.
made this happen.
We're sticking. So we are sticking by that line which the individual told. कि sir will not let the break happen.
Yes.
So even if when that guy is himself probably will miss, but we will not let his word go waste.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
That is how it
It
is.
has been lovely talking to you, sir, and thank you for hosting us at your place.
It's been a pleasure, Anoop, and I do look forward to your feedback and also your comments when you post it, and do give us feedback as to what kind of result is there. Thank you so very much.
The links will be in the description down below. We will definitely make sure that the message gets out as much as possible. And if you're interested and if you can give 2 hours on a Sunday, that's not much. 2 hours on a Sunday. The man has been giving 7 years. Let's hit him up and let's make our city a little bit better. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Pleasure to have you all. Thank you.
And we're out.